Actually, it met my expectations. I thought it was great. I've never driven like in this type of environment. I've driven before, like, I come here vacation and stuff, but I've never actually, actually ran the roads like we are, like all the curves and the excitement and the deceleration, the acceleration, and when to do it, and the braking and everything goes with it. Is this, and also you learn some things like looking forward instead of looking like in front of the car, which I found out I was doing, or in adjuster, just all different kinds of driving tips, and then also, like I said, you get to experience kind of a thrill of being able to take these curves with a performance car that's made to drive on roads like this. Came out of the factory ready for road racing. It's not a drag racing car, so it was made for this type of environment. It's just me getting used to how to handle it. It's pretty good itself. It's just me knowing, hey, what's the limit? How far can I push it? I don't want to go too far, and so you gotta find that fine point. Kind of like Andy thought about, getting that point where you're braking at the right time, you're accelerating at the right time, so so you don't lose going around these curves. Because that's like dragging. There was 318 curves in 11 miles, so yeah, it's quite an experience. I'm getting pretty old, and I've done a lot of things, Super Bowls, Alaska, Hawaii, but so far this is really thrilling. It's just the excitement of the whole thing.